Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. Pu. Ta. Si. Hy. Droc. Side. Potassium hydroxide. It is highly caustic and can cause severe burns upon contact with skin. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about potassium hydroxide, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.